The future of AI, transforming every aspect of our lives. Welcome to a world on the brink of transformation. AI, artificial intelligence, is no longer just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool reshaping our lives in ways we could only dream of. Over the next decade, we'll see AI embedded in everything, from how we heal the sick to how we interact with the world around us. In this video, we'll uncover 10 groundbreaking ways AI will revolutionize our future. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive in. 1. Healthcare 2.0, redefining medicine with AI. Imagine a future where diseases are caught before symptoms even appear, and treatments are tailored specifically to you. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of healthcare with AI. AI will transform medical research and treatment by analyzing vast datasets, from patient histories to genetic information. Think about it. Algorithms capable of spotting patterns invisible to the human eye, detecting diseases earlier than ever. AI-powered diagnostic tools will scan X-rays and MRIs with unmatched precision, identifying subtle abnormalities that could save lives. But the real game changer? Accelerating drug discovery. Machine learning will predict which molecular structures hold the key to curing diseases, cutting down the years it typically takes to develop new treatments. This means faster solutions for cancer, Alzheimer's, and countless other conditions. For instance, AI will integrate into every doctor's toolkit, offering insights, increasing accuracy, and making healthcare more accessible. Picture a world where a routine checkup involves a doctor consulting not just their expertise, but also the computational power of AI, ensuring nothing is overlooked. 2. AI-powered assistants everywhere. Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant? They're just the beginning. In the next decade, AI-powered assistants will evolve to become indispensable parts of our lives. These assistants will handle complex tasks effortlessly, from scheduling meetings and managing your emails to offering personalized recommendations and reminders. At work, they'll streamline data analysis and project management, boosting productivity. At home, they'll integrate with smart devices to automate chores and even monitor your health. Let's imagine an assistant that doesn't just follow commands but anticipates your needs, reminding you to pack an umbrella before it rains or suggesting a playlist to match your mood. These digital helpers will feel like an extension of your own mind. Companies are already working on assistants capable of understanding not just words but intent, learning from every interaction to better serve you. Human-like robots. Robots that walk, talk, and understand their surroundings. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But this is our near future. Over the next decade, robots will become more human-like, not just in appearance, but in functionality. Picture a robot that can assist with household tasks, work in hazardous environments, or even provide companionship. OpenAI has already created robots capable of holding natural conversations and understanding context. The next step? Making them even more lifelike. Let's think out. What if your robot vacuum could chat with you about cleaning preferences, or a robot chef could prepare your favorite meal while discussing the recipe? These robots will find roles in industries like healthcare. Think robot caregivers, space exploration, and disaster relief. But with great power comes great responsibility. We'll need to address ethical concerns, like ensuring robots don't replace critical human jobs. 4. Advanced gaming and virtual worlds. Let's switch gears to entertainment. Imagine playing a video game where every character feels alive, reacting to your decisions, learning from your gameplay, and challenging you in new ways. This is the future of gaming with AI. AI will create immersive virtual worlds, where environments and interactions are so realistic they blur the line between the digital and physical. Walk through a virtual forest and you'll encounter animals that behave exactly like their real-world counterparts. Meet a virtual character and they'll hold a conversation as natural as talking to a friend. Imagine, virtual worlds won't just entertain. They'll let you explore alternate realities. Want to visit ancient Rome or dive into an alien ecosystem? AI makes it possible. How this will be. Gaming companies are already using AI to design adaptive gameplay and lifelike NPCs, non-playable characters. In the future, this tech will redefine what it means to escape into a game. 5. Automated AI weapons, a double-edged sword. Not all advancements are without controversy. AI and weapons technology raises serious ethical questions. Automated systems that make life and death decisions could lead to devastating consequences if misused. Imagine a world where wars are fought by machines and human oversight is a distant memory. It's both terrifying and inevitable. Governments and organizations must prioritize strict regulation and governance to ensure AI weapons are used responsibly, if at all. Transparency and accountability will be key to preventing catastrophic misuse. 6. Generative AI that understands you. Let's talk about the evolution of AI conversations. Instead of rigid robotic exchanges, imagine chatting with an AI that understands your tone, context, and emotions. It feels like talking to a close friend, someone who really gets you. Generative AI will achieve this by advancing natural language processing, NLP. These systems will learn from every interaction, refining their understanding of human speech. Imagine, ever wished for an assistant who doesn't just hear you, but truly listens? This is the future of AI-powered communication. For instance, from customer service bots to virtual assistants, these systems will redefine human-AI interaction, making it more empathetic and personal. 7. Fully automated smart homes. Picture this. You wake up, and your home has already adjusted the temperature, brewed your coffee, and started your morning playlist, all without you lifting a finger. Welcome to the era of fully automated smart homes. Smart sensors will detect your presence, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even security systems based on your habits. These homes won't just be convenient, they'll also prioritize safety and sustainability. Like, what if your home could think for itself, adapting to your routine and optimizing energy use without any input from you? Companies are developing interconnected devices that communicate seamlessly, creating a personalized and efficient living experience. 8. Advanced AI agents. Think of AI agents as your digital sidekicks, programs capable of managing schedules, finding the best travel routes, and even making decisions on your behalf. These agents will learn from your preferences, becoming smarter and more helpful over time. Imagine having a virtual assistant so intuitive, it feels like having a personal concierge 24/7. These agents will integrate into every aspect of our lives, from our phones to our homes, simplifying tasks and enhancing efficiency. 9. Smart AI cities. Cities are getting smarter, thanks to AI. Take The Line in Saudi Arabia, a city designed to be managed almost entirely by AI. From traffic control to waste management, these cities aim to improve the quality of life for residents. What if your city could eliminate traffic jams, reduce energy waste, and predict infrastructure needs before they arise? Smart AI cities will use data to optimize everything from public services to energy consumption, creating more sustainable and livable urban environments. 10. Quantum-enhanced AI. Finally, let's talk about the quantum leap in AI. Quantum computers capable of solving problems regular computers can't will supercharge AI capabilities. This means faster data processing, better predictions, and breakthroughs in fields like medicine and climate science. Imagine an AI so powerful, it predicts hurricanes weeks in advance, or discovers a cure for cancer in record time. While quantum computing is still in its infancy, researchers believe it will play a pivotal role in AI's future, unlocking capabilities we can't yet imagine. Closing thoughts. The next decade will be defined by how we embrace and regulate AI. From making our lives more convenient to tackling global challenges, AI has the potential to be humanity's greatest ally or its greatest challenge. The key lies in responsible development and usage. So, what do you think? Are you excited or cautious about this AI-driven future? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of tomorrow. Thanks for watching.